Honey, we're back with Rollie, and we're going to use this as a way to show you how to deal with Dogtra from the collar. And again, already getting her hair up. So what you have to decide in these situations is which command is going to be most appropriate. In this situation, it's going to be recall. Ooh, she got all her hair up. She's very, very angry. Very, very angry. To say that's pretty good for her, though. But what I'm going to do now, I'll take her over by the fence and make her down, and I think that you'll see how that's going to disarm this dog. Rollie. Down. Oh, what a good girl. Didn't quite have a desire to fight. Down. No, they're not hurting her. Down.
No, it's just, they're right to the energy level.
Down. Oh gosh, Rollie. See, Mommy, don't give me any more of those biscuits. I like chicken. All through. All through. Alright, so now I'm going to be ready. At this point, you want to be ready with your nick. You're not going to use the pager if you need to get the dog away. And if you were going to use your nick, you'd have to use it in quick succession. I know, I have to say that's pretty good for her, wouldn't you say, Sonia? Doesn't pay any attention. Oh, boy. The guy must be doing Facebook status updates over there. Good. All through. Down. Yeah, I think he's barking at her. Yeah, he's trying to make her stop doing that. Down. But remember, you guys, if you guys remember, this dog had no food drive whatsoever. It had aggression issues. It would lunge and go after anybody or anything. Down. And it had no food drive. Down. And you can see what happened. We built the food drive up. Down. And we're using boiled chicken with these dogs today, but the point that the dog can ignore these other dogs. No. Down. Good. No. And still be interested in food is almost, it's like a miniature miracle. Wouldn't you say, Sonia? Oh, she's nodding her head. She agrees with everything I said. Anyway, more updates soon.